Hello students, so today's topic is in English and legal languages, precise writing procedures. It is a subtle way of writing a long passages into a very crisp and a cohesive short paragraph. And the main thing that one needs to remember while writing a precis is that they need to read the passage very carefully. Only if they read and understand the essence of this passage, then they can actually concise and create a crisp and a cohesive writing of that paragraph and create a short one too. The one thing that they need to be mm, aware need to do is that they should be clear with the main idea of the paragraph. To do precise, the general idea should not be forgotten, and they should make sure that all the important points of the passage are conveyed in the precise. uh, Also, it is very important to focus on the language and try to make it as clear and crisp and concise as possible. For a good process, following things are to be followed. This is the procedure that one should follow. So first, we start by reading the paragraph thoroughly and then understand the central theme or the idea. So the first thing that a person is going to do is that thoroughly they should read the passage and understand what is the central idea behind the uh, creation, behind the composition of such paragraph. And it is very important to identify the idea so that they can incorporate in their precision. Now check whether the total number of words given or not is if it is not given, then count out the total words in the paragraph. If you have not understood the process in one go, then give it a couple more reads. Make sure you are clear with the meaning of the paragraph. This is the main basic route to make your process very good. You should understand what it is trying to say, even if you have to read it again and again. So, while reading the paragraph, highlight the main points and make notes of it. Try to find which information is relevant and which is irrelevant for the process. Uh, the heading should be very critical, so always give it a good thought before finalizing it. The notes or the points that you have highlighted is very important in process, as the process should follow the logical order. Arrange these points in same. For officers, you need to provide titles and designation rather than just names. If nothing is provided, then you go with the personal name, but make sure that you follow the same pattern throughout your writing. Before submitting your draft, always review it properly, as the process is already a very short format. So um, errors should be avoided. Have a final glance at the paragraph to make sure that you have not missed anything, and a good practice would be the count the numbers of words in precise and put it in a bracket at the end of the process. Thank you.